How to apply a promo code on Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply a promo code on the Grubhub app to save money on your next order. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can browse through your favorite restaurants and select it. And now here, once you're inside the restaurant, you can simply search for the food. And once you have searched it, you can simply tap on the plus icon to add your food item to the cart. And now here, once you have added the food to your cart, you can simply tap on the view order option, and there, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as add promo code. So simply tap on it, and now here on the new page you can simply tap on add promo code, and here you can simply enter the promo code and tap on apply. And once you do that, you will see the discount applied right away in your order summary. And here, if the code is invalid or expired, Grubhub will let you know before you pay. And that's it. That's how you can apply a promo code on Grubhub. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.